Hello, my name is Justin Lee, and this is my com310 project at BYU Idaho. We're going to create a website using CSS properties. I have created the website Sunflowercatering for this project. So I created this logo and image for this site. As you can see here, this is my home page about Sunflowercatering. So here gives you a little information about what we do and what it's there for. At the top here, you can see our navigation bar, and as you hover over it, you see that it highlights it yellow with an underline. Each one of these does this. Our next page is our menu page, and this gives a description of the options that we have, and I have them in a table grid form going all the way down. Scroll back to the top, we can go to our catering page. And so here we have our image with a fake caption underneath that. And then it tells a little bit about us. So it says Sunflower Catering serves off groups 50 delicious made to order entrees and side dishes, only $7.99 per person. Then if we go to the About Us page, so this tells a little bit about when it started and what we've done, and it gives us our hours and phone number. And our last page is our contact page. So this is a request form. If people need more information, they can fill out the form and we'd be glad to answer any questions. And so this one, they give their name, address, phone number, email. This is also where they choose what main dish they want and what dessert they want for people. And then they tell us any special requests that they have. And then they can hit submit. And then I also have a navigation bar here at the bottom. So if I click that, this one goes back to our home page. And also to my style guide, which is what everything on the other page is based off of. Then if I go back, we have the practice. So this is where we started out in this class with BYU Idaho. So we started out with the basics of learning how to do all this stuff, the basic CSS coding. I really had fun with this class and being able to design my type of website. It's funny, the little things that you can see, just the little errors you make, it screws up everything. That was one of the difficulties I had, was trying to come up with things that would make it so that it worked properly. Overall, I really enjoyed this class and learned a lot from it. And thanks for watching my video.